Here we are on another Venner Adventures. So on Dartmoor, it rains a lot, and the tractor came trundling on down here the other day. Dude, there you go. And then it started sliding towards, I don't know if you can see that, but yes, that's a running river at the bottom of the farmland. So Shaun's job today is to help his dad tow the tractor out with the JCB. I'm going to get a bit in nearer and let's see what Shaun's got to say.
My life insurance up today.
Is our life insurance? Yeah, I'm not sure it covers tractor accidents though. I'll have to check. Maybe something we might need to look into in all seriousness. Right, anyway, yeah. So Shaun's in charge of said digger. And we're going to try and tow this thing out. Success! Success! Double thumbs up! Yeah, the next thing is to get it going across the field, but at least that isn't quite so bad as heading towards the little river. Yeah, so just get an idea of where it was. So that's all turned up land, it did. And that's the bank. Success!
Yeah.